Hello friends. Hope you all are doing good. Once again welcome to your digitaldb YouTube channel. If you want to share your YouTube video with your Facebook friends and followers, today, in this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to do it. Friends, to post your YouTube video on Facebook, first, open your YouTube, and go to channel section, click on video tag, and find the video you want to share on Facebook page. Friends, once you find the video, click on three dots near the video, and select edit from the list. Now, on edit details interface, click on title section, and select entire video title and copy it, and close the edit tab. The copied title will be used later. Friends, once you copy the video title, now you have to again click on three dots, and select share option from the list. The share interface will appear. Once you find the share interface, find Facebook icon, and click on it. Now you will be directed to Facebook app and the Facebook post creation interface will appear. Now, on the Facebook post creation interface, you can see the link of your YouTube video. You have to go to the beginning of the link and press enter for 2 times. Now you can paste the title you have copied earlier above the link. After pasting the title of the video, your Facebook post is now ready for action, and look like this. Now you can click on post tab on top right corner to post your YouTube video to Facebook page. So friends, you have successfully posted your YouTube video to Facebook page. Now you can visit your Facebook page and check how your post looks like. If the post is okay, you can now share your post with Facebook friends and followers to grow the views and subscribers of your YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we learn about how to post and share your YouTube video on Facebook in order to grow views and subscribers of your YouTube channel. If you like my video friends, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my digitaldb YouTube channel. Stay tuned friends. See you in the next video.